It is October 6th, and man, it's my birthday month, and I just got this in the mail. Witchcraft by Subtle Art Soap Company, Joe. And it smells amazing. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Sean here. Glad to have you. I'm just gonna do a shave and tell you how much I like this scent, because it's the kind of scent that I don't know, the best way I can describe it is like that time that it's just Christmas or right before Christmas. So it smells amazing. I'm not a scent guy. I can't tell you this has so and so, but I can tell you I like it. And if Joe sold this year round, I would probably always have one or two of these around in my collection. All right, the brush for today is the Yaki boar bristle. Reason why I'm using, and let me show you the lather here maybe. Reason why I'm using boar is because I've been looking at Greg's and Eric's videos and Leon's videos, and they got like these big boar brushes and they look amazing. So mine's not that big, that's what she said, but I don't know, it just like inspired me. So, and then also I'm doing a little experiment. I had a buddy of mine tell me a while back to try, this might be controversial, but to try doing the bevel set on like a 2K and then jumping straight to a 10K synthetic and then going higher, so to like a 30K, and that's exactly what I did. I did my bevel set on the 2K, my mid-range work on the 10K, and then finished on the 30K Shapton. And we're gonna give it a go. I'm excited to try it. I did the packing peanut, did the HHT, and it was like a 30K edge, so let's see. This is a vegan-based soap. And let me tell you, if I didn't read it was a vegan-based soap, I would have thought it was tallow. That is amazing. That feels real good. This is the consistency that I like on my soap when I lather. There you guys go. That's the consistency I like. Different for everybody. I just honed this, by the way, so it still has the tape. This is a 5/8 Soligen Germany, Frieder Baumann and Sons. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let's start with the neck area, and let me make sure I'm in frame this time. Am I? Yeah, I am. I gotta be careful with this 30K edge. And I did something I usually don't do. I did half strokes. I didn't do circles, but I did half strokes and all that jazz. And but I finished on X strokes. And I also use slurry. This smells amazing. Joe also sent me some soap samples. And I gotta say, Draconis and Draconis Luna, man, they smell amazing. But my favorite is this, Joe. Witchcraft. And the artwork, guys. Look at this freaking artwork. That is beautiful artwork. I actually read a book called Throne of Glass recently. I finished it. It's like a 8-book series. And there's a witch in the book, and so reminded me of her. So I saw it, so I just had to get it. Hope everybody is having a good Sunday. And by the time you guys see this video, it's probably going to be somewhere around in the middle of the week. So I hope when you guys are watching this, you guys are having a good day, a good time. Let's dry our fingers with my dog towel that I messed up. It's all cut up. My partner always tells me, you can't use that for razors, that's the bath towel. Sorry. All right, against the grain. Let's see how it performs against the grain here in the cheeks. I'm probably gonna have some little cuts. I'm not used to having a keen edge like this, 30K. You can see here. It is like effortless. Let's see how it does. Fool's pass. Okay. Let's use Aqua Velva Ice Blue. Let me use more. Well, that's surprising. I thought for sure I was gonna get like a bunch of irritation, especially here. Well, I thought I had like a little bumps there of redness, like little blood, but I'm not seeing anything now. I was sure I was gonna have irritation with that Aqua Velva Ice Blue, but apparently not. Interesting. Maybe with a 20K Suahiro, that would be better. Like going 2K, and I don't, guys. We're just shaving. This is just like having fun with your honing. But man, I suck at this. Man, I really suck at this focusing stuff. Sorry, Leon. It's just a little experiment. Went to the 2K Naniwa, 10K Naniwa, and then the 30K Shapton. They say that the Suahiro 20K Gokumyo is a better finisher, so that might be interesting. That was fun. On the 10K, I did like 2 or 3 sets, half strokes, and what else, guys? Witchcraft by Joe, Sorob's Art Soap Company, is amazing. The label is amazing. The vegan base is amazing. Yeah, if you're thinking of trying a soap from Joe, see if you can get one of these. I recommend it. Like I said, I have a bunch of soap samples here that he gave me, so I'll have to try that out. But in the meantime, this is what I recommend, because these are my scents, you know. This is my birthday month scent, you know. Anyways, I always read and reply to all your comments, so make sure you leave one in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.